Guys, one principle in the Stoics by Marcus Aurelius, in which he taught, if you can read the book Marcus Meditation, this book is different from the other meditations like The Power of Now by Eckhart Tolle, where over here he trains the mind for the strength in the presence. Other books might teach you the calm, how to calm the mind in any scenario. But हम लोग साधु की जिंदगी तो जी नहीं रहे हैं. We are not living the life of the sadhus in the ashram. Stress will keep on coming. There will be lots of characters you will be facing in the corporate life. Lots of pressure, like funds are drying up, debts are crippling up, uncertain scenarios, you might get laid off. You don't know where the next meal would come from. Over here he has, and lots of pressure in the mind, chaos in the mind. So he has taught to how to train the voluntary muscle before any pressure, any pain comes up, unexpected ones, on a daily basis. Voluntary training of it can be done through the activities like the trekking, the HIIT heat training in the gym, or training the mind, controlling the thoughts when you are alone, when nobody is watching. Of course, because the human mind is wired for the validation, the recognition. But over here, when you say integrity, over here the integrity principle comes into play. When nobody is watching, when the boss is not pushing you, nobody is forcing you. How you maintain the discipline, how you train your voluntary muscles in this case, that will shape you for the coming new job, new challenge which the life will throw at you. The new ball, the new client, the new relationship. So guys, train your voluntary muscle of both